Bird, I'm a murder of birds, shifting my shape when your tongue firms the words. Like I hate you when I love you the most, love you the most, love you the most. And the shape of a snake in a defensive coil, the same retracted lips of the one foolish girl. Says she hates you when she loves you the most, loves you the most, loves you. And I've got demons when I need them. Don't ask to see them, they're not supposed to be used against you. Or can we build a safe house far from the bitter bride? We'll make a home with a brown recluse and a cobra locked outside. To the spider we'll give a word, to the cobra a lullaby. And keeping the demons happy, you'll make free for me to fly in the shape of unbaked bread, and a girl in a turned out bed, and a wake of twisted thread from the loving words you said. And I think I'm alone in desire for grace, for you unleash your mood and I'm no longer safe. I say I hate you when I love you the most, love you the most, love you the most. And the shape of my breast and the shape of my kiss, demon and coiled with a slither in his. I say I hate you when I love you the most, love you the most, love you. And I've got demons when I need them. Don't ask to see them, they're not supposed to be used against you. Can we build a safe house far from the bitter bride? And we'll make a home with a brown recluse and a cobra locked outside. To the spider we'll give a word, to the cobra a lullaby. And keeping the demons happy, you'll make free for me to fly in the shape of unbaked bread, and a girl in a turned out bed, and a wick of twisted thread from the loving words you said. The shape of unbaked bread, and a girl in a turned down bed, and a wick of twisted thread from the loving words you said. Cause I'm